So here we have the difference between Actor-critic and DQN. So starting for Actor-critic, let's remember the structure, how is the architecture here, right? So we have the same action environment reward, replay buffer, and a mini batch for the training. So we have the critique, receive all these things, observation from the mini batch. Then we have the critique is trying to send the signal to the actor, and the key trick also get the reward, immediate reward. So the DQN with the target network, it has similarity. In this case, the target network is just a copy of the main. So after a while, the target is updated, as you can see here. So this is a main difference between the DQN with target network and the Actor-critic. So what are the key difference? So we have the value based and policy based. So for the DQN, primarily is a value based method. It learns the Q values and derive the policy implicitly. The Actor-critic combines the policy based, the actor, so the actor is the policy based, and the value based is the critique method. The actor directly learns the policy while the critic estimates the value function. Now when we move to the target network, DQN uses a target network to stabilize the Q value at date. And different in the actor critique, there is no target network. Instead, we rely on the feedback from the critics to guide the actor policy at date. So if we talk about the exploration strategy too, DQN usually use an epsilon greedy exploration strategy, and the Actor-critic exploration is naturally in the policy via the stochastic actions. So the policy will define the exploration, the convergence and stability. The QN can be unstable due to the max operator in the Q-learning at date, mitigated by the target network. Actor-critic can be more stable since the policy actor is updated directly from the critique evaluation, often leading to smoother learning. About the complexity of the algorithm, DQN is simpler to implement but requires extensive tuning of exploration strategies. An Actor-critic is more complex due to the maintaining two networks, but can be more flexible and efficient in handling continuous action space. So this is important. Remember this continuous action space. With summary, the DQN with target network is value-based approach that stabilizes learning using a target network. It directly derives the policy from the Q value and often uses epsilon greedy for exploration. The Actor-critic method combines both the policy-based actor and the value-based critique approaches. The actor learns the policy directly, and the critic provides value estimate to improve the policy. This combination can lead to more efficient and stable learning, particularly in continuous action space. That's all for this video about reinforcement learning between the difference between DQN and Actor-critic. Subscribe to the channel. If you like it, give it a like and share it. Please give a comment of maybe what do you want to listen from the next video. This is all for Retech today. Bye bye.